Hi, I'm Chris once more. A lot of you have been asking us how to recharge your prepaid meter from Nigeria. We've weighed a lot of possible options to see how we can help you solve this, and we've decided to bring Metertoken your way. Metertoken is not just a conventional vending platform. The company in charge of Metertoken are into meter distribution, meter manufacturing, and everything in this have to do with prepaid meter around Abuja, Lagos, Eko, Port Harcourt, Kaduna. Name these distribution companies, they are into it. Metertoken, the process is easy. You have it on your App Store, you have it on your Play Store. Go to your store. If it's App Store, just type Metertoken. You'll see it like this, you just get it. Then if it's Android phone you're using, Play Store, it's Metertoken. Once you're done downloading, click on register. Then you have option to select the states. You have a lot of states there. Let me just use Kaduna as a case study. Kaduna, to select account type, you have two types. You want to use it for yourself, or you want to be an agent selling tokens to others. You can select the agent, but if you don't want to sell to others, you just want to use it for yourself, go for personal. Then you have a form that is popping up: your first name, your surname, your email. Your phone number, input that. Then for the phone number, an OTP. OTP is an acronym for one-time password, to be sent to either your phone number or sent to your email. Just copy it, input it, and an interface will open up for you to create a password. Please create a password, repeat the same password on the confirm tab, and that's all. Account creation process is successful on Metertoken. For you to buy, you have this interface. You have your buy option. Now go ahead and click fund wallet first to start on. Select the amount, 1,000 Naira for example. Proceed, input your card information. There are other payment options, but I prefer you just go with your ATM. Input the 16 digits on the ATM card. Now go on the year and the month of expiration. Turn the ATM, flip it. You see your CVV, it's a 3-digit code. Just input it. Then you go ahead with the next process, and every other thing is very easy for you, and bam, your wallet is funded like this. Then you click on buy and you proceed with the processes. You put the meter number, select your distribution company. You can select Eko, Abuja, Lagos, wherever, but I told you I'm using Kaduna, right? So Kaduna Electric as a study. Select Kaduna Electric, select prepaid, enter the amount, submit, and it will bring out the name, the address, and the information on the meter number to be sure you didn't make mistake. It will ask whether you're sure you want to do this. Yeah, sure, you're sure. Then you proceed and confirm. You have your token generated like this. So key that into your meter and you have your unit. I believe this will help you accessing this function from the comfort of your home without stepping out. If you have any question, you can reach out to us. And the Metertoken is actually designed with a customer service help option. It's just in form of WhatsApp, very easy for you. Just touch the WhatsApp. It's going to give you an initial prompt, hi Metertoken. You could just decide to add something to it. If you don't want to delete everything, and just hi Metertoken, send, and then tell them, they will respond to you. Look at this one, they responded in 3 minutes. That's to tell you how fast they are. I didn't even tell them I'm making this video, so they just responded on their own accord. So conversation goes, and you just have the best help you can have from home in Nigeria. So if this video is helpful, please go ahead and like it, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.